welcome back to another vlog. As you just saw, I just did my skincare. I'm getting ready for the day. Today is currently Sunday, so it's like a Sunday reset, kind of get my life together. So I do have a busy day ahead of me. I have my to-do list. So I need to go to my parents' house and take care of their plants, mail, check the house, and feed their fish. Then I need to go to Whole Foods to return Amazon packages, TJ Maxx to return some stuff, go to Home Goods to see if I can go ahead and find some bins for my like little TV stand, and then go to Old Navy to see what they have there for like the fall and stuff like that, because right now it's currently buy one get one free. So I want to see what they have, see what fits, what doesn't fit, you know, that fun stuff. So I am now just currently getting ready. I think, and then last but not least, come back and clean the apartment. So I think I'm gonna put my hair in a slick back because it is like an errands day. And right now I can imagine it's probably humid because it's been raining since last night. So really don't wanna deal with my hair. So I think I am also washing it today as well. So usually my go-to hairstyle is like, Usually my go-to hairstyle is a slick bun or like a braid. I have like a slower morning today. I've been up since 8:30 and I think it's like closer to 10 right now. And Hazel and I have just been like chilling. I had my coffee, just kind of like taking it easy. I love a good slow Sunday reset. I also need to go to I forgot. I also need to go to Trader Joe's. Wow, I do have a really busy day, so I should probably hurry up so I can, get my life together. So this is what I decided to wear. So I just got this set the other day. It's from TJ Maxx. So it's just a comfy little two-piece. I love a good matching set. I feel like it just elevates the outfit. It makes, even like when it's casual, I feel like it just elevates the outfit. So yeah, this is what I have, and then I'm just gonna pair it with my crossbody purse. But yeah, this is the vibe. All right, so I just left my parents' house. I think the last clip that you guys saw was me going to Trader Joe's, or like me putting stuff in my cart at Trader Joe's. It was a madhouse in there, which was expected. I am on my way home now. I got the groceries in the back. I also went to Old Navy, which I'll show you guys what I got there. I went to return some items at TJ Maxx, and then I also went to Home Goods, and I went to Target to get my label maker refill pack. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I got at Old Navy. And then I did place an order online as well because it was buy one get one free there. I think my phone's about to overheat, and that's what I've been filming on, so let me go ahead and cool that, and I will see you back at the apartment. Now I'm home. Don't mind the mess. I still need to clean up the apartment, but my package from Target came in, so I'll show you guys in just a second. But I've been reorganizing this like linen closet, I guess it would be, and I needed 2 more storage containers, so let me show you that. Oh, okay, I needed 3. Oh, so I got 3 more of these bins. Okay, so I got 3 of those. Then I ran out of like an everyday facial cleanser that's not like super harsh, so I use Panoxyl once a day, and then I use a gentle cleanser once a day. It just depends if I'm taking a shower in the morning or at night. And the gentle cleanser is in my shower, and then the Panoxyl is like under my sink. But I got the Prequel cleanser here, so I heard really good things about it, so we're gonna give that a shot. And then nothing fancy, just flushable wipes. It was Target, and then I guess moving on to Target in store. So I did get this file cabinet thing for my desk, some filer things, a daily to-do journal, like, or a daily task. So like I write to-do lists every day, but this one I really like. So I really like this one because it has like, hold on. So it has like appointments and to-dos, like priorities. It has like the time here. It has, yeah, top priorities, to-dos and appointments, workouts, meals, snacks. I found this interesting, wake up time and bedtime. So I can start tracking that to just see like roughly how many hours I go to bed. If I have any notes, in here. And I also like that it has the daily affirmation and gratitude there. So I got that journal, and then I ran out of my label maker stuff, so I got that. Then I went to TJ Maxx to do a return, and then of course naturally I was just like browsing and found some stuff. So I did find 2 things there. The first thing is this paper towel holder. I really thought it was pretty, nice little marble color material. So it's marble, it's just I like the darker marble material. So got that, and this one was $9.99. I got this scallop tray for my coffee table, so I can put a candle, coasters, make it all cute. And I still had a gift card at HomeGoods, so I was like, why not just browse? Originally was looking for some bins, didn't have any luck with that, so I may have to go to the Container Store still to see if I can find some organization bins that are not see-through. I need them more like enclosed because the cabinets I have in my TV stand is open, and it's just too much clutter, if that makes sense. And I need it to be practical instead of like making it all cute and like decorative. So anyways, I had a gift card at HomeGoods. And then the first thing I got was this birthday card. It says you're pretty neat. So one of my friends, he turns 30 next month, and I'll be going home to Chicago for that. So I got him that card. And then, oh, forgot. I did end up getting coasters, and I got these coasters here. I don't know if you guys can tell, I like this kind of marble look. I like the darker tones, so got that. Then I got a new soap dispenser because the one I got, I bought it when it was on clearance. I wonder if that's why it was on clearance at World Market before I left, and it doesn't work. So I got this new one. Hopefully this works. Last but not least is Old Navy. So in person, I got these 2 like, I just needed basic tees to like just lounge around, and then also to just like run errands if I need to that doesn't have any writing. It's like mauvey pink color. And then I also got it in a gray color. And then I just got 3 basic tanks. I don't have any, so I knew coming here I need to buy more, so I just got them in 3 different colors, just basic tank tops. They're tank tops. I like these ones too, so I got an olive green one, and then I got this like hot pink one here. And the reason why I got this hot pink one because of this, so I want to do like a matching set here, and these were 30% off, so I got those. And that is basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff away, and then go ahead and start cleaning the apartment just so it's like ready for the week. It's a fresh, clean slate.